If you're searching for the best screen recorder for Mac, you're probably fighting one of three problems: no internal audio, slow recordings, or a sharing flow that wastes time. If internal audio is the deal breaker, CleanShot X is the clean upgrade. You record a window, a region, or full screen, and you can keep your desktop tidy by hiding icons and disabling notifications. That matters when liquid glass makes everything more visually prominent in Tahoe. Right after recording, you can do quick fixes without opening a separate editor, add annotations, blur sensitive info, and share with a link immediately so your tutorial is done when you stop recording. If your bigger pain is editing, Capto keeps you in one flow. Record your screen, then trim the dead space, crop to the important area, and add notes or callouts. You can also add an audio track, which is perfect when you want to re-record narration without redoing the screen capture. Need a time-lapse screen recording on Mac? Hustle solves that without manual speeding up later. You choose an app or area, let it run, and it outputs a polished time-lapse, even in high resolutions. On Tahoe, everything here runs best on Apple Silicon Macs, and it's worth knowing Tahoe is the last macOS that supports Intel Macs. Now, for the free option you already have. On macOS Tahoe, press Shift plus Command plus 5 to open the Screenshot toolbar. Choose Record Entire Screen or Record Selected Portion. In Options, pick your microphone, set a timer if you want, and decide whether to show mouse clicks. Click Record, do your demo, then hit the Stop button in the menu bar. This is the best screen recorder for Mac free, but it's limited. By default, it focuses on microphone audio, not internal system sound. If this helped you pick the best screen recorder for Mac for your exact use case, subscribe so your next recording is faster, cleaner, and easier to share. See you in the next one.